How to use Streamlabs on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you do is download the Streamlabs app, and then after downloading it, just open up the Streamlabs application on your device. And then from here, it's just going to show you a few settings. So we are going to click on the three lines over here at the top left corner. Then all you have to do is tap on the advanced settings, tap on continue, and here you'll be able to see different settings over here. Now over here, what you need to do is you just have to tap on the theme first of all to create and add a theme. So here you can see different themes available over here. So I'm going to select on this black and white theme. So you have to upgrade to ultra over here to get beautiful mobile themes as well. After tapping on the themes that you want, so you can just go back. So also you can select the disconnect protection. So make sure that you toggle this on. So when you toggle this on, even if the Wi-Fi connection is not available, even if it's gone, then you'll be properly and easily disconnected and your disconnection will be protected. Now let's go to the streaming settings. Now let's go for the video settings at the very first. Now here you can see the output resolution is set to 720 pixel. Now if I want to change it to higher resolution, I'm going to go for 1080 pixel over here. The expected frame rate, I might be changing it to 60 fps. Then the maximum video bitrate you can select according to your preference over here. Then you can also go back and then tap on the platform settings. Now currently I have the platforms not set till today. So here are two settings over here, Twitch and YouTube. You can select any of the settings that you want for the platforms. Then go to the advanced settings and make sure that you have your LAN stream selected. Then go to privacy settings and it's all done over here. Then go to the audio settings as well. You can use a camcorder as well, or you can add any internal audio over here. There are more audio options such as record stereo audio, invert stereo channels, Bluetooth audio input, and sample rate. You can choose according to whatever is most suitable for you. And that's it. You're ready to use Streamlabs on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.